Hello students, as you know that today we are going to discuss statistics for standard class X. I am Dharmendra Kumar Mahapatra, PGT Mathematics, DAP Vedanta International School, Lanjigarh. So statistics is not a new thing for you. You have already studied about statistics from class 6 onwards, and you have already known the measure of central tendency, that means mean, median and mode, in class 9. But in class 9 you have studied about ungrouped data. In this class we will discuss about mean of grouped data. So mean of grouped data, there are three methods to find mean of a grouped data. First one is direct method, second one is assumed mean method, and third one is step deviation method. So three different methods are there: direct method, assumed mean method, step deviation method. First we will discuss about direct method. So look at this direct method. I have taken one example. Find the mean of the following distribution. These are the groups: class interval, frequency 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and the corresponding frequencies are 7, 10, 15, 8, 10. So in direct method, to find mean, we have to make a table. Look at this table. So these two columns are given in the question. Just you have to make these two new columns. Look at the first column. This is class mark. Do you know what is class mark? Class mark means class mark equal to upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. That means you have to add these two limits, 0 and 10. 0 is the lower limit and 10 is the upper limit. So 0 plus 10 means 10 by 2. That means 5. So 5 is the class mark of the group 0 to 10. Similarly, what will be the class mark of 10 to 20? Clearly 10 plus 20, 30, 30 by 2 equal to 50. By the same way, the class mark of 20 to 30 will be 25, 30 to 40 will be 35, and 40 to 50 will be 45. After completing this column, you will go to the fourth column. This is the fourth column. What you will do here? In this column, we will find the product of Fi and Xi. What is Fi? Fi means frequency. What is Xi? Xi means class mark. We want to find the product of Fi and Xi. So usually you can see 7 into 5, 35. 10 into 15, 150. 15 into 25, 375. 8 into 35, 280, 10 into 45 equal to 450. Now we have to find the sum of all frequencies. You must have been familiar with this symbol. This is the summation symbol. That means the sum of all frequencies will be symbolized as sigma Fi, the summation of all frequencies. So what is the sigma Fi? Sigma Fi equal to 50. You will add all these numbers. But the same way you have to add all the numbers in this column. That means Fi Xi. So it will be symbolized as sigma Fi Xi. So if you will add this, you will get 1290. Now after completing this table, you just use the formula for mean. This is the direct formula. Mean x bar, it can be symbolized is a symbol. The formula is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Remember this formula, I have written it in red color so that you can easily remember it. Sigma fi xi by sigma fi. What is sigma fi xi to found here? 1290 by sigma fi equal to 50. Then 0 0 will be cancelled. Then 5 to the 10 remains 2. 29 by 5 the 25 remains 4. Then you will get the decimal point. Then it becomes 40. 5 to the 40. So the mean of this data is 25.8, and this is the direct method. Now we will go to discuss the second method, that is assumed mean method. What do you mean by assumed mean method? As you know that our observation starts from 0 and the maximum observation, the highest observation is 50. So always remember the mean will lie in between 0 and 50. Any number, mean can be any number between 0 and 50. It cannot be less than 0, it cannot be more than 50. So when we found the class mark here, just you can see, as we have already drawn in the previous level, direct method, class interval was there, frequency was there, class mark, you already know how you can find the class mark. Now you have to find another column with di. What do you mean by di? Yes, sir. So first we have to understand what is the meaning of di. After finding the class mark, I have taken the same example, 0 to 10, frequency 7, 10 to 20, 10, 20 to 30, 15, 30 to 48, 40 to 50, 10. And the class mark, as you know, 0 plus 10 by 2 equal to 5, 10 plus 20 by 2 equal to 15, 20 plus 30 by 2 equal to 25, 30 plus 40 by 2 equal to 35, 40 plus 50 by 2 equal to 45. Now this is the new column for you. You have to understand what is the meaning of this column. What you have to do in this column. You have to choose any one number from the class mark table, class mark column, and that will be your assumed mean. Means we have to assume a mean. It may be the mean or not, but we have to assume. So better you will take the middlemost observation of the class mark as assumed mean. Suppose I take assumed mean as 25. I will write here, let the assumed mean equal to 25. Then this assumed mean will be abbreviated as A. It will be abbreviated as A. And di will be calculated from, it will be subtracted, the assumed mean will be subtracted from the class mark. That means xi minus A. What is xi? Xi equal to 5. You have taken A equal to 25. So what will be di? 5 minus 25 equal to minus 20. Similarly, 15 minus 25 minus 10, 25 minus 25, 0, 35 minus 25, 10, 45 minus 25 equal to 20. I hope all of you have understood this column. This column is very important. Now look at the fourth column, it's a fifth column, new column, Fi. You will have to find the product of Fi and Di. Already you want to compare what we have done in the direct process, the direct method. In the direct method we found Fi xi. Here we are going to find Fi Di. Look at this is the column of Di and this is the column of Fi. Now we have to find the product of these two columns. Okay? Now we have to find the product of these two columns. Then 7 into minus 20 minus 124, 10 into minus 10 minus 100, 15 into 0 equal to 0, 8 into 10 equal to 80, 10 into 20 equal to 200. Now the sum of all frequencies sigma fi equal to 50. Now here you have to find the sum of all fi di. That means you have to write here sigma fi di. First you have to add the negative numbers. Minus 140 minus 100. That it becomes minus 240. Then plus. You have to add these positive numbers. 80 plus 200. That means plus 280. So minus 240 plus 280. That means it is plus 40. Okay. So after the completion of this table, we will go to the formula. Here it will be a new formula for you. Mean x bar equal to a plus. Look here. Here you have subtracted. That's why you have to add here. So a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. So a equal to 25 plus sigma fi di equal to 40. So this is 40 by sigma fi equal to 50. So here 50. So 0 will be cancelled. So 25 plus 4 by 5 equal to 0.8. 4 by 5 equal to 0.8. So 25 plus 0.8 equal to 25 plus 8. This is the answer. I think you are clear about the assumed mean process. This process is also called as shortcut method. Now we will go to the next. Now we will go to the next method, that is step deviation method. This is the third and important one. Find the mean of the following distribution. I have taken the same example so that you can find the same mean in different ways. Now look at the solution terms. Always remember, direct method, 4 columns, assumed mean process, 5 columns, step deviation method, 6 columns. That means we have to make here 6 columns. Okay? We have to make here 6 columns. And what are the 6 columns? Class interval you will get from the question itself. Frequency you will also get from the question itself. Class mark, you already know how to find the class mark. Di, it is the same as assumed mean process. That means this 1, 2, 3, 4 columns are same as assumed mean process. Now look at the 5th column. In this 5th column, you have to find ui equal to xi minus a by h. Or you can say directly here di by h. What is di? You already know di equal to xi minus a. A what is the meaning of a? A means assumed mean. I have taken the assumed mean 25. Okay, so if I will take assumed mean 25, then di 5 minus 25 minus 20, 5 minus 15 minus 25 minus 10, 25 minus 25 0, 35 minus 25 10, 45 minus 25 20. This part you already know in the previous example. Now what is ui? This is the new column for you. So ui means ui equal to di by x, or you can say xi minus a by x. It is already found here di. What is h? H is a number you can see in the di column, but which is the greatest number I can divide by these 3 numbers. Sorry, by all these numbers. Which number will be divisible by all these numbers? Clearly you can see it is 10. That means you can say it is the HCF. So minus 20 by 10. So h equal to, I have taken 10. So minus 20 by 10, minus 2, minus 10 by 10, minus 1, 0 by 10, 0, 10 by 10, assumed mean process FIDI. Step deviation method FIUI. So in FIUI, this is FI, this is UI. These two columns corresponding values will be multiplied. So 7 into minus 2 minus 14, 10 into minus 1 minus 10, 15 into 0 0, 8 into 1 8, 10 into 2 20. Now sum of all frequencies sigma Fi equal to 50. Now you can see here minus 14 minus 10, these two are negative, so their sum will be minus 24. Here 8 and 20, they are positive, so 20 plus 8 equal to plus 28. So 24 minus 24 plus 28 equal to plus 4. So sigma Fi Ui equal to plus 4. Now look at the formula. I have already told it that the assumed mean equal to 25 and h equal to 10. So mean equal to x bar equal to, this is a new formula for you. Look at the compare. Direct formula, directly sigma Fi xi by sigma Fi. Assumed mean equal to a plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi. But here mean equal to, this is the step deviation. The mean equal to a plus sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi into x. Look at it. S here we have divided, we will multiply. So a equal to 25 plus sigma Fi Ui equal to 4 by 50 into 10. So 25 and 4 by 50. First we divided 10 by 50, then 4 by 5 equal to 0.8. So the answer is 25.8. Okay? Okay students, I think you must have understood nicely. Now let us solve some questions. Let us solve these questions. Question number 1, find the mean of the following distribution by direct method. Question number 2, find the mean of the following distribution by assumed mean process. And this is the question number 3, find the mean of the